Kuya, ilang minutes na lang? 30 minutes galing dito? Di ba long route to? Mabilis kami? Ibig ba sabihin malakas kami? Kami ba pinakamalakas na nakasama mo? Wow, hindi naman siguro. Grabe naman si Kuya. Hi, good morning everyone. Andito na naman kami sa Barangay San Andres dito sa Tanay. We are getting ready to climb Mount Mataripis. And the last time we were here, we climbed Mount Batulusong, but it was the same jump off. Now, we are climbing the mountain right beside it. It's called Mount Mataripis, which actually, taripis is river shrimp. So, supposedly the river has a lot of that. Anyway, we're very, very happy that from our small group of 7 people, dumami na kami ngayon. We are 13 here, and we have a lot of girls with us. Say hi, girls! There they are. It's gonna be a really fun climb. Our friends are already there. We didn't know that they were climbing this mountain as well. Pero magkikita-kita na lang kami sa campsite. And this is just 2 weeks after Typhoon Ulysses. So we're gonna see how the trail looks like. Andito kami dun sa resort which is called Isla San Andres. And it looks so different from the first time we were here. Let me just show you. This used to be filled with lots of plants, but now because of the overflowing river, even the wall on the river is gone, and most of the plants are not here anymore, and the bridge actually also collapsed, and now they're rebuilding. So we're happy to support this very, very nice resort, a nice place to escape the hustle and the bustle of the city. So if you're ever in Tanay, do check out Isla San Andres. I'm pretty sure in 2 weeks this is going to be back on its feet, and we're happy to contribute.
Ay, isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po kayo sa Barangay Daraitan. Sorry. Barangay San Andres. Ang Barangay San Andres ay nasasakupan siya ng bayan ng Tanay. Ang bayan ng Tanay ay pinakang mayaman sa bulubundok at napakamaraming tourist spot. May mga ilang bahagi lamang po kaming bibigay sa inyo. Ang paglakad po natin papuntang bundok ay hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Ang lahat ng bagay ay hindi nakukuha sa pagmamadali. Kailangan natin dahan-dahan pero tayo tuloy-tuloy. Bali, may doon po kaming mga ilang paalala tulad ng mga...
Alright,
Ganda aso to
start na ng trek namin. We're going to Mount Mataripis. Isa ito sa mga bahagi ng trail papuntang Mount Mataripis na gumuho. Tingnan mo, galing sa taas, nahulog yung lupa papunta sa ilog. Hi guys, nandito kami sa unang pahingahan dito sa Mount Mataripis. We're going to the long route. Nagpapahinga kami ngayon. Kaalis lamang nung horde, yung horde of Urukhay. Ito yung maganda dito sa trail dito sa Mataripis. Maraming water source. Sarap ng hangin. Thank you, Lord. So we're nearly done with the long route to Mount Mataripis. bumaba na kami. So ngayon paakit na ulit kami sa campsite. Dinaanan namin yung long route, which is not much longer than the short route. So that's good news. Konti na lang, we're gonna be at the campsite. I have to say, this forest is really nice. Maligayang pagdating. DBB.
Hello!
Para magkakilala tayo Oh my God! I wanna hug all of you, pero bawal. Air hug! Air hug! Air hug! Air hug! Bojo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Batchit! Hi guys, we are here at the campsite of Mount Mataripis, and what a pleasant surprise. Well, not such a surprise because nasabihan na kami na may AMSI dito sa campsite. But we have our friends here, and our initial worry was that siyam daw sila, ang dami nun. It turns out that half of those 9 people are kids, so they only have 3 tents, and I'm so happy to find them here. There's Mer,
Hello.
Bojo, my batchmate Ver, Maris, and of course Carmel. So mapapasaba kami sa Inglesan today. Hi guys! So how are you feeling right now?
So good to be back on the mountain.
This is my newish tent. It's called the Dan Durston X Mass Drop X Mid 1P. So this is how it looks like. It is a rather large footprint considering that it's only good for one person. Let's take a peek inside. As you can see, this tent is propped up by 2 trekking poles, and the inner body of the tent sits diagonally to this tent. So I probably don't need it because it's not very hot. It's not very cold here rather. So I'll probably just like put down my ground sheet and sleep. And this is it. Hi guys, good evening. Nandito kami sa Mount Mataripis, and for tonight I'm preparing a Korean dish for my boys. This is called Brgy or Korean Army Stew. So we have all the ingredients ready here. We have mushrooms and green onions, more mushrooms, delicious prem. We're using prem instead of spam. Frankfurters, some ramen noodles. This is garlic, and we already prepared the sauce, and it's going to be made of gochugaru, gochujang, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, lots of really good stuff. So I hope that everyone's going to enjoy it. See you later. Hi guys, our bude jjigae is ready. This is it. This is the soup. It has tofu, mushrooms, spam or luncheon meat, vienna sausage, ramen noodles, and lots of spices from Korea. And this is it. And these are the boys that are gonna eat it. Hi guys. Are you ready? Say that again.
Sarap ng buday!
I wanna see people basically. Hi guys, good morning. So in keeping with our Korean theme, I'm preparing something that's also Korean American. This is pork bulgogi with beans and tomato sauce. So I hope that this is enough to sustain us during the trek down, and I hope my boys will have enough strength to carry not just themselves but also the kids. Thank you, good morning, and hello from Mount Mataripis. This is our breakfast here in Mount Mataripis. This is Japanese rice.
What?
And this is a Korean American dish which I just invented. This is bulgogi pork and beans. So enjoy, guys. Ooh. Hi guys, good morning. So we're done with breakfast, and now I'm inside my tent to try at least to break camp and pack my bag. It's drizzling outside, but it's okay. I'm very dry here. This is how my tent looks like. So it looks like it's just a canopy, but actually I decided not to pitch the inner fly kasi okay naman, I can survive in this kind of setup. So as you can see, the tent is just this nylon roof that I have, and it's propped up by 2 trekking poles. There's one and the other way. If you want like a really ultralight setup, you can probably just get sticks, but it has to be of a certain length. It has to be 120 centimeters. So I have a ground sheet here and a thermarest so that my sleep will be comfortable. Yun lang. So, but I still have the tent body actually inside the bag. I decided not to put it because it's okay. It's not so, hindi naman siya malamok, hindi naman maraming tao, but hindi naman maraming hayop dito. So it's fine, and it's also not very cold. If you're interested, just go to drop.com and get yourself the Danderson X-Mid Ultralight 1P. They also have this in a 2% version, by the way. Okay ba, Jay?
Nice.
Oh, ready to check na kami. Tingnan mo, lalakas sa mga kasama ko. Grabe. Siyempre. Pababa na kami ng Mount Mataripis. Naririnig ko na yung tubig. Maganda dito sa trail na to, yung pababa. This is the short route. Is that it's going to crisscross several waterfalls. It's actually the same source of water, but you pass it like several times. So there's a lot of water along the trail, and on a hot day like this, it's super enjoyable to have a lot of water on the trail. Dito kami sa first waterfalls coming from the campsite. It is just like less than 10 minutes away, and so nice. Look at that, ganda. So ayan na yung guide namin and his trusty loyal dog Hercules. Alright guys, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang pinakamaingay sa AMSI. Ito po, hindi po totoo na ako yung maingay. Ito po talaga, si Manny. Okay, pababa kami ngayon ng Mount Mataripis, and it's so what a pleasure to meet these guys on the trail. Say hi to my 20 viewers. Oh my gosh, ibang-iba na itsura niya. This is where we had some of our photos taken because maganda yung dyan sa baba, yung waterfalls. But look at that, because of the Typhoon Ulysses and the amount of water that poured here in Barangay San Andres, nag-landslide, gumuho yung bundok. And it actually changed the trail. So yung landslide, you can see it up to here. The original trail is actually on the left. But because of the force of the water and the amount of rain, dito na siya. So this is one of the places where you can rest and take a dip. There's a shallow pool over there. Of course, it's still part of the stream that comes down from the mountain all the way to Barangay San Andres. So ito na kami. This is the junction for the short and long route. So we went the longer route going up and the shorter route where Aubrey is for our way down.
Gandang kami.
Hi, Zion! Hi! Hello! we're done with our climb. Andito na kami sa aming favorite resort dito sa Barangay San Andres. So andito na kami sa Isla San Andres. We're done with the climb and the first thing that we are looking for is of course beer. Ice cold beer! Talaga naman, sa ilog pa umiinom. Cheers! Thank you, TL. Thank you, TL Jen. Thank you, girls, for joining us. Nagsasawa na rin kami na puro lalaki lang eh. Oh. Pauwi na kami, so masks on. TJ, ikaw na lang. Mask mo.